We know that we're on the right track when we hear a couple magic words, and they are, "I never would have thought of that."
Hi, my name is Vinh Lee. I am a creative director and partner at Level Studio.
Hi, my name is Luca Campacci, and I'm the lead interior designer and partner at Level Studio. Our two pillars, and it's our tagline, is unique functional interiors. And every time we're designing a project, those are the two questions that we're always asking ourselves. Is this project unique, and is it functional? Vin and I go way back. We were both interested in architecture and interior design. We ended up going to the same school. And it was when we started working on projects at OCAD that we really saw this synergy. So after we graduated, we both worked at different firms, and it really allowed us to build our skills very quickly. The most important element is telling our client's story. We start each process with an in-depth discussion or several discussions with our clients where we're talking about, what their requirements are, what they think their aesthetic is.
Also observing and asking the right questions for our clients. Are they right-handed, left-handed? Are they night owls? Are they early risers? Are they movie enthusiasts?
One of the things that we really pride ourselves on is leading with empathy in all of our designs and just making sure that our clients are being heard.
That's where we come in and really make sure each project is really, really catered to their lifestyle.
We have the ability to anticipate for future events as well. So for example, when you're designing a space for a client that might have two young kids at this moment in time, we also need to be anticipating what this space is going to be like 7 years down the line when the children are no longer kids anymore, now they're teenagers. Not only are we registered interior designers, but in most of our projects, we also take on that role as the general contractor.
Having that experience of being the contractor as well gives us that extra edge to anticipate what is to come and really translate that to our clients.
We really enjoy being hands-on designers. And what that means is, during a project with us, you're gonna see us on site a lot.
You typically don't see the interior designers getting their hands dirty. Having us on your team, I think, helps your project timeline go so efficiently for you to get into your dream space sooner than later.
We're looking at it not only through the lens of an interior designer, but we're also looking at it through the lens of a creative director, through a photographer, through an artist.
Color is the one thing that we see every day, and it's so beautiful to see how other colors react with each other. And I think for us with interior design, we love to use sense of color to really illustrate and represent certain intentions that we want to play forward. Using color really just makes life richer. A lot of our clients approach us and want a lot of different things that they see online or as inspiration, and for us, we'll tell them if this could work or not. Art is subjective in that sense, and for us to go into a home, we want to design a home that's for them.
You're going to be spending a lot of time with us. There needs to be an initial spark. There needs to be chemistry. We enjoy projects that allow us to explore color and unique shapes and forms. The clients that say, I really want something that tells my story, and I really want to explore different things, and I want to see what the possibilities are, and I want you to help guide me out of my comfort zone. Right there and then, we know that that is a great client, and we know that it's going to be a great relationship.
Adding our experience and what we know in the industry, how to get that successfully done. If it's a new idea that has to play with the architecture or the skeleton of their space, we really are there to guide you through that journey. Everybody should have a great experience renovating their home because that's a foundation for your lifestyle. We're
creating a space where our clients are living their lives in. This is an important backdrop to all the important moments in their life. Every single project is different, and I think that's the beauty of it. That's what keeps us on our toes and keeps us, really sharp, because you're never gonna have the same project twice. Long-term relationships with clients happen through trust. That's something that we take very seriously. So we want to make sure that if they do have another project, we're their first thought.
We really care about the space as much as they care about the space.
If you're interested in working with us, check out our website. It's level-studio.ca. Follow us on Instagram. It's Level Studio Inc., all one word, lowercase. Reach out through email, through phone call. We're interested in having a conversation with you.